If you are living with chronic disease, you are probably ignoring one of your greatest capacities. Not because you chose to, but because nobody ever told you that you could work with that capacity. Most chronic diseases are manageable, so you can reduce symptoms and slow down progression, and that all matters. But there's a huge difference between managing symptoms and repair. And this is where your greatest capacity enters your own health story, because your body has an innate power for repair and to normalize. But management and repair ask different questions. Managing chronic disease asks, how can I best keep the disease under control? And repair asks, what do I need for the repair? What does my mind and body need for recovery? Now you already know that your body can repair because a cut closes, bones knit, you can recover from infections, and your cells are continuously being maintained, replaced, and repaired. So how come that chronic diseases do not repair? Does nature make an exception when it comes to chronic conditions? No. It simply is that process of repair and recovery is interrupted. But we can shift that. Now, when we do, can you expect full recovery? Probably not. It depends on the disease, on the drivers, and not all damage can be undone. But when the conditions and the drivers remain, we will never give this repair and recovery a fair chance. So I want to challenge you. What if the question is no longer just how can I manage the chronic disease, but also what is interrupting this natural repair process, and what can I do about it? That is where true health agency starts. And if you are ready for that question, DM me breakthrough so I can send you the priority list link to my upcoming program, The Chronicitis Breakthrough, where we will Sherlock your own personal health story and map your drivers so we can take action.